Okay, for all the noobs out there that don't know much about using transitions in DaVinci Resolve, I'm going to show you how to save them as a preset and basically use them a lot quicker to quicken up your workflow when editing and save a whole ton of time. So let me show you how to exactly save that preset. So simply right-click on that transition, go down to Create Transition Preset, and then it will ask you to give this preset a name. So I will call it Push Left. Press Enter, and it instantly pops up in the Effects tab under the User category, which is super cool. And you can easily drag this same transition onto other cuts of your video or other timelines that you have, other projects. It saves it throughout everything. It's really, really nice. Now let's say I wanted to make this one push right to left. I can do that, and then I want to use it again, but I just want to drag it from that same category. So create another transition preset. I'm going to name this one Push Right, and then it instantly shows up below the push left, and it's easily grabbable from anywhere. It's so cool. It's so nice. I love it. You can make different variations, as many variations as you want. I could do push right with or without motion blur, or with or without ease in and out, whatever I want to do. I can even change the frames. I can change it from 30 to 15 frames to make it a little bit quicker, and then save that as a preset if I wanted to. If I know I'm going to use these over and over again, I will save it. And it makes your workflow a lot quicker and easier. And I highly recommend doing this. It's that easy. You cannot search user transitions, unfortunately. You cannot do that. I'm not sure why. It's kind of lame. But if you scroll down, you will see the user transitions right here above Fusion transitions, and they're at your disposal. So there you go. Hope this was helpful and it will increase your workflow. And if you're confused about anything, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will answer to the best of my ability. And without further ado, I will see you all next time.